Hello everyone, welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Today I want to show you how to make Japanese pickles. We say Tsukemono in Japanese. Thank you for waiting for a long time. So many of you interested in Japanese pickles. I remember my cooking class guest also requested me. In Japanese pickles, it's really important for Japanese cuisine. It's a small appetizer and can be side dish, but it has an important role for the dishes. Usually we use salt and sugar and rice vinegar and combine to make the Japanese pickles. So I'll show you some basic one today and also advanced one. And pickles is fermented food, so it has a nutrition for your body. For more information, please check my website, and I write article about the Tsukemono Japanese pickles. And then during this video, I'll show some tips and techniques to make delicious Japanese pickles. Are you ready to cook? Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. So I'll show you some easy one first. So today we use daikon radish and Japanese basil shiso. Now we start to peel the daikon radish. And we cut half, then we thinly slice. If you cut thinly, it's easy to be pickled, so I recommend. And also it's good for the texture in the mouth. It's a half moon size. And then about Japanese shiso, basils, we cut a stump. Then roll, then thinly slice. Then after that, I recommend to use Ziploc bag. It's easy, you don't need to wash many dishes, so I recommend this one. Now we add daikon radish and Japanese basil in the same bag. This is the simple and easiest one, so we just use salt. Then after that, please close the Ziploc bag and massage. And sometimes knead and please squeeze. You can already see the juice coming from the daikon radish and Japanese basil shiso. Take out excess air in the Ziploc bag. Then we put this in a fridge. So one pickle is done. Let's make next one, wasabi paste. How many of you have a wasabi paste left over after you're eating maybe sushi? Now you can use this wasabi paste. Now let's cut the cucumber. And here's my technique. And I do some cutting sometimes, so I'm sure some of you remember. Now cucumber is done. Again, we use plastic bag. And we move the cucumber in it. Let's add powder first. So we add sugar and salt and wasabi paste. And again, we close the Ziploc bag and massage. So Japanese pickle is very easy to make. It seems today Mario is interested in the cooking more than Luigi. We take out excess air from the bag and put this in the fridge. So two pickles are done. So next, let's try a bit advanced one. Now we prepare a hot water. Lotus root. I can see the camera. Now we peel the carrots and lotus root. Since the lotus root has a little bit hard texture, so be careful when you slice. Okay, so let's boil lotus root in a hot water. So I put all of them. Then in the meantime, I thinly slice carrots. Then let's also put these carrots in a hot water. So actually, you can use any vegetables to make Japanese pickles. Now let's wait. So I take it out. I want these vegetables to be crispy. And let's make vinegar liquid. Rice vinegar. Then we add the sugar. Then salt. Then mix all together. The veggies. Beautiful, beautiful. The white color from the lotus root and orange color from carrots. Then at the end, we sprinkle chili pepper. and lightly mix. Looks good, looks good. A little bit shuffle. Okay, now we move this in the fridge too. Yeah, and the pickles are done. So check it out. So beautiful. And this is the pickled daikon radish and shiso. So this is a cucumber with wasabi. It's a lotus root and carrots. As I said, pickles is always a side dish or can be appetizer for Japanese cuisine. So I prepare a Japanese breakfast. I hope you enjoy seeing the Japanese breakfast at my other vlog, Muji Hotel Volume 2. I also eat Japanese breakfast at the hotel. This is not only for my family. This is very traditional Japanese breakfast. I have a miso soup here. Usually miso soup goes to the right side and rice goes to the left side. Important thing goes to left in Japan. So rice is important rather than miso soup because it's a carbohydrate, of course. Usually we put right corner main dish. This is saba no mirin boshi, a side with daikon radish. And then natto, the fermented soybean. We usually put this over the rice. I'm sure many of you say, ooh, but this is a hidden ingredient. My family loves natto, so we eat almost every day. And this is Japanese omelette. I cut cube size. For the recipe, please check my other video. By the way, I have to try. So this is the daikon radish and Japanese basil shiso. Itadakimasu. It's so chunky and shiso has a minty flavor, so you don't get bored. Next, let's try the cucumber with wasabi. I can taste the wasabi. Pretty sure it's a good combination too. Now let's try lotus root. So crunchy and it's a sweet sour flavor. It's very refreshing and I still can enjoy the flavor from the carrots. Pickles doing important role to harmonize all of it. So how's the recipe today? I hope you enjoyed. So do you remember the tip to make chunky and crispy texture? Please don't boil for a long time. After prepare the boiling water, you just put the ingredients. So in this case, I recommend to boil maybe 1 to 2 minutes at maximum. So there is no other tips, so please try it out. And I'll try to film more Tsukemono Japanese pickles recipe in the future. So please stay tuned. Sui-chan and Kengo can join today. Yay! Yay! So Kengo, how old are you now? 5, yeah. So he became 5 years old now. He also eats breakfast every morning. What is your favorite food among this? Gohan, yeah, he likes rice. And also, yeah, natto and Japanese omelette.
I like natto.
Good.
And egg.
Good. He eats a lot. I'm happy he likes Japanese breakfast. Thank you so much for everyone. See you next time. Bye bye.